students, welcome back in your science online class. Today we will discuss about in previous class we have discussed up to fill in the blanks. Today we will discuss the choose the correct answers from each of the following sets given in brackets. So let's start. Choose the correct answers from each of the sets given in brackets. Birds bones are hollow, strong and solid. तो birds की bone कैसी होती है? Hollow. That's why they help them to keep their body lightweight. Whale is seen in whale. मछली कहाँ पाई जाती है? Fresh water या salt water. So it is found in salt water. Dash cannot fly. Parrot you can see it can fly. So cannot fly. Kiwi cannot fly. Monkey squirrel is an arboreal animal that uses its tail to hang for tree branches. तो किसके पास होती है? Monkey is an arboreal animal that uses its tail to hang from tree branches. Okay. So first is hollow. Second is salt water. Third is kiwi. And this is monkey. Okay. Now match the following. Match the following columns. Bird. What is the example of bird? Kingfisher is a bird. Worm. Worm कौन है इनमें से? Worm is earthworm as it is written in the name also. Mammal which gives birth to the young one. So it is cat. Cat के babies होते हैं kittens. So it is 3. Amphibian कौन है? Amphibian is a frog that can live in water as well outside. So reptile. Reptile is snake. Okay. And insect is mosquito. Okay. Now define the following. What is streamline? Streamline means होता है boat shape. So streamline means having the body in the shape of a boat. Amphibians are the animals which can live both in land and water. Invertebrates, the animals which are not having the backbones are known as invertebrates. So I will give you the definition of these. Okay, and you can write these definitions in your. Now draw the following. So you have to draw honeybee, fish, octopus and bird. You draw these in your copy. Now answer the following questions. What are the two main groups of animals? So according to the backbones, the group of animals are divided into two groups. First group is invertebrates, the animals which are not having backbones, and the vertebrates, the animals which are having backbones. Next is give any 3 important features of insects. तो important features of insects में एक main feature होता है insects have 2 antennas. Next, insects have wings to fly and insects have 6 legs. Okay. Mention the characteristics of mammals. So mammals are the animals which give birth to their young ones. They feed their babies and they have hair on their body. Explain the following terms. Nocturnal. Nocturnal means the animals which are active during the night, and diurnal, the animals which are active during the daytime are known as diurnal. Write a short note on migration in animals with example. So in lesson we have studied about the migration. Migration means moving of animals or birds from one place to another place in search of food, shelter and for breeding. So some examples are like Arctic tern, it goes from North Pole to South Pole. Next is Siberian crane. Then one is elephant, and there are so many examples you can write. List out the points which make the bird fly. So we have studied some main points which makes the bird to fly. The first was the hollow bones. जो उनकी body में hollow bones होती हैं that help them to fly. Next was light and hollow bones, streamlined body, that means boat shaped body. Air sacs attached to lungs, 4 limbs modified into wings, and their limbs are modified into wings, and body is covered with the feathers. So there are 5 characteristics which help a bird to fly. Okay, next question is, how does a polar bear adapt itself in a snow covered area? We know that polar bear, it lives in the area where it is very cold. जहाँ पे बर्फ़ गिरती है वहाँ पे पोलर बेयर रहता है. तो उसकी बॉडी जितने भी जहाँ पे स्नो गिरती है वहाँ पे जितने भी एनिमल्स होते हैं उनकी बॉडी इज़ कवर्ड विद द फर, यानी उनकी बॉडी पे बहुत सारा हेयर्स होते हैं। तो जो पोलर बेयर होता है उसकी बॉडी भी कैसे कवर्ड होती है, थिक वाइट फर से कवर्ड रहती है, और वो अपनी बॉडी में क्या करता है, स्टोर फैट अंडर द स्किन, और अपनी स्किन के नीचे फैट को स्टोर करता है टू कीप देमसेल्फ वार्म, यानी अपने आप को वार्म रखने के लिए वो अपनी बॉडी में क्या करता है, फैट को स्टोर करके रखता है, और उसकी बॉडी पूरी तरह हेयर से कवर्ड रहती है ताकि उसको स्नोई एरिया में सर्दी ना लगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द ब्रेन क्वेस्ट। आई एम शिप ऑफ द डेजर्ट, हु एम आई? सो the jumbled word is camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel. I am from snow covered region with fur. Just now we have discussed it, it is polar bear, P-O-L-A-R, polar, and B-E-A-R. Then I am an amphibian but I am not a frog, who am I? ये amphibian भी है but ये frog नहीं है, तो कौन है? D-I-L-E, crocodile is amphibian। आपने देखा है क्रोकोडाइल पानी में रहता है और कई बार सैंड के पास भी रहता है बाहर आके। वी आर अ ग्रुप ऑफ क्रॉलिंग क्रीचर्स, ये क्रॉलिंग क्रीचर है, एंड आर वर्टिब्रेट्स, लेकिन इनके बैकबोन है। कौन है? ये है रेप्टाइल्स, जो रेंग के चलते हैं, रेप्टाइल्स। ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव फिनिश्ड दिस लेसन एंड I will give you some work to do from this lesson. You finish it in your copy, and till then stay home and stay safe. Thank you children.